In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a coloring book for KDP in a few simple steps. It's exciting times. I've just crossed 100k subscribers on my Arabic YouTube channel, and I've asked Vexels if they could contribute with a giveaway for you guys. So we'll be giving away 2 free KDP subscriptions from Vexels and a free exclusive coloring book bundle for KDP from Vexels. So make sure you stay till the end so that I can show you how to get into the giveaway and how to download the free KDP exclusive coloring book bundle. So without further ado, let's hop onto my computer and let's get started. So guys, to get started, we have to have the artwork that we're going to work with. It doesn't have to be fully colored in. We're going to use one of these artworks that are not colored in and organize them however we want to make up our coloring book. But see, we don't have to have them like this. We can literally use pictures and manipulate them on softwares like Illustrator to simplify them to just outlines. Or we could use vectors and just take the fill out and keep the outlines. There are many ways of doing it, but for this simple example, I'm going to show you an example from Vexels, which is one of the easiest ways of doing it. Like I told you guys, I'm going to give you this bundle for free. So let's see what this bundle is about. So we have all these artworks and we can make them into a coloring book, guys. Look at that. So many. We can make as many pages as we want. You don't have to have 100 pages. You can have 30, 40, whatever floats your boat. Now that we have our assets, we need to move to the second step. Now the next step is to go to Canva. If we're going to make a coloring book for 8.5 over 11 inches, this is the size that we need to use. How did I get to these dimensions, guys? Let me show you. You're going to want to go to Google and type KDP tools and resources and click right here. And then as you go down, you want to download calculator right here. Now this downloads an Excel file which has everything you need. So over here, we need to choose our options. So I'm going to choose black ink and white paper, trim size 8.5 by 11 inches, 100 pages. You can either choose the cover, in which case it gives you the cover size, but we're not going to do the cover size today. We're only interested in the coloring book interior. Making a cover size is pretty easy. There's plenty of tutorials on YouTube, so no need to cover it right here. So we want to choose manuscript with bleed. You can either do with bleed or with no bleed. In this case, I'm going to go with bleed. So click on it right here, and then we get our size. Here's what we're interested in. We're interested in getting this size right here, okay? 8.625, which is the width of our page, over 11.25 inches, which is the height of our page. So now that you know how we got the size, let's get designing. So the first thing we want to do is our welcome page. It's pretty simple to make it. We're just going to click on text, find a suitable text. But first I need to click on one of these. Now that we got the text, I'm going to change the font right here. I'm going to choose Amatic. I like this font. So we're going to type this book belongs to, and then maybe put like a little line here. We're just making it very simple for now, just for illustration purposes. And I'm going to go to elements and then get this line right here, like so. We can make it dashed if you want to. Basically choose the style how you want it. We can make it thin as well if you want to. Pretty happy with this. You can make a copyright page after this if you want to. That's completely up to you. But I just want to show you guys how to add the pages. The rest is up to you how you want to make it. You can be as creative as you want. Now to add another page, we need to click add page. And what we want to do, guys, is we need to bring in our designs. If we have them ready, fantastic. If not, then we need to create them. Like I said, you can do it with tools like Illustrator or Photoshop. There's plenty of tools out there where you can manipulate the pictures or the vectors to just reduce them to outlines. Because if you put them colored in, there's no point because it won't be called a coloring book. Now let's say this is the first page, right? The second page is going to be our copyright page. So you can put whatever you want to put in there. This coloring book is copyright of so-and-so designer or so-and-so name. This way they don't go and copy it and distribute it however they want. So again, we click on text and then choose whatever font we want to choose and then put like copyright here. Something like this, guys. The fonts can be better, obviously, and then you fill it in with your copyright notice right here. This is, again, just a placeholder just to show you how it works. The first page is going to be on the right, yeah? As you turn over the book, this would be your copyright page. Now, the next page is going to be your design page. So we're going to put it nicely in the middle and then we're going to move it slightly towards the right. The reason we do that, guys, is so that we can leave a little bit of space for the spine, because the spine eats a little bit of space from this side right here. Now the next page, I would suggest you guys to have it black, and here is why. Because as you're coloring on this page right here, the ink might spill over to the next page, right? So if we have it black, we make sure that the ink doesn't spill over. Each page is its own design, right? This is how many coloring books have it, and that's how I would suggest you to have it as well. So to add a black page, this is how we do it, guys. we simply go to elements and then maybe choose a shape like so. We fill the whole page with the shape, change the color, make it black, and there you go. You don't have to have it completely black. You can have it like really dark gray, whatever floats your boat, but I'll have it black for now. Again, next page. Let's go for this design right here. Again, make it slightly towards the right so that we can leave some space here. What you need to realize is that, let's say this is your book, right? This is the right page. This is the left page. This left page is going to be black because the other page overleaf is going to be another design, right? And then as we turn this page, behind this is going to be black. I think you get the point of it. You can make it slightly bigger or smaller if you want, whatever floats your boat. And then again, next page, we make it black. I'm just going to do copy and paste just to make it easier for me. And then next page, another design. Again, move it slightly to the right. Next page again, make it black like so. And we keep going like so until we reach 100 pages. Again, depending on how many pages we're intending to make and we have based our calculations on. And that's it, guys. When you finish, you're going to go ahead and download, and then we're going to change this from PNG to PDF print, and then it would say 100 pages or however many pages you've created, and then you would click on download. And this would be your manuscript, guys. It's that easy, that simple. Again, thanks to Vexels, they've provided this bundle for you guys for free. Simply go to the link where it says get 35% off Vexels and click on free download, as you can see here on the screen. You'll find the link in the description. Now, before we talk about the giveaway, guys, I want to show you the bundles that Vexels have in their KDP section. They've got loads and loads, guys. Just keep scrolling, see whichever one you want, download it, and there you go, get creating. Today, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, you can get 35% discount off Vexels KDP annual subscription. Like I said, because my Arabic channel just crossed over 100k subscribers, so that's why Vexels have given you guys this amazing offer. So if you're interested, seize this opportunity while the discount is still available. Now that I talked about the pricing, let's talk about the giveaway, guys. The giveaway is 2 annual KDP Vexels subscriptions. To enter, you have to buy one of these plans, and the 2 winners will get 2 refunds of these plans. So this means that when you buy one of these plans, and if you're one of the winners, you'll get a refund of the payments that you've made. So essentially, you'll get it for free. This is the first condition. The second condition is you have to click on the giveaway link down below in the description and follow the steps there to enter the giveaway. The winners will be announced on Monday, the 25th of October via Instagram story on my Instagram account at MasterADP, and the winners will also be receiving an email directly from Vexels and from myself. That's it, guys. Plain and simple. I wish you all the best. If you guys don't have a Merch by Amazon account and would like one, or if you know someone that has been struggling to get accepted on Merch by Amazon, we have a Merch by Amazon account creation service, and you can find the detail of which down below in the description. You can get your Merch by Amazon account within 24 hours, fully activated, and you can start working right away. Check the details down below in the description, guys. So that's it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you like this content, give it a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe to the channel, you'll definitely benefit. Hit the notification bell button so that you guys get the videos as soon as I upload them, and so that you don't miss out on any information, and leave me a comment down below if you have any further questions. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.